Your Maverick seat's taking daily abuse from spills, pets, muddy gear, and everything else life throws at them. And that factory upholstery isn't going to last forever. Seat covers fix that before the damage happens. 5 options built for the Maverick right here. Every material and budget covered. All links are waiting in the description below. Starting the countdown at number 5. The FREESOO covers are precision engineered using 3D scanning technology for a factory match fit across all Maverick trims and both hybrid and gas models. Faux leather construction that's scratch resistant, waterproof, and wipes clean in seconds. Wraps over front seat armrests and fully covers seat backs for a seamless premium look. Airbag, seat belt, and folding rear seat back compatible. Installation videos available on the product page. Worth every minute of the install time. Number 4. The Vidokena covers stand out by working seamlessly with every factory seat feature. Heating, ventilation, side airbags, seat adjustment controls, and child safety seats all remain fully functional. Full coverage design wraps tighter and extends further than half coverage alternatives. Premium synthetic leather with breathability, water resistance, and protection from pet hair and stains. Compatible with all Maverick trims, including Tremor. Detailed manual and install video in every package. At number 3, the Rough Country neoprene covers bring the most durable construction on this list. 4-layer build with foam padding, protective polyester, and water-resistant neoprene that handles spills, scratches, and whatever kids and dogs can throw at your interior. Tailored specifically for Mavericks with the rear folding armrest for a snug factory spec fit. Breathable material keeps you comfortable on long drives. Full front and rear coverage included. Backed by a 2-year warranty. Number 2, the FEINEPRO covers deliver luxury faux leather with a 4-layer waterproof structure that protects against coffee spills, pet scratches, and daily wear. Precision cut for a glove-like fit across all Maverick trims. All factory functions preserved. Airbags, armrests, seat belts, child seats, adjustments, all intact. Front seat backs include an organizer pocket for added convenience. Installs in around 40 minutes following the included video guide. Patience gets you a premium result. The Mabett seat covers take the top spot with the cleanest, most straightforward package on this list. PU leather construction, durable, water-resistant, easy to wipe clean, and soft enough to actually improve daily comfort. Comes with instructions and all necessary installation tools included. One practical tip from the brand: tighten those straps as much as possible underneath to prevent any bunching on the driver's seat. Simple, well-made, does exactly what it promises. 5 seat covers, 1 Maverick, and an interior that stays protected no matter what your day throws at it. Whether you want 4-layer neoprene toughness or sleek faux leather style, this list has the right fit for your truck. Every link is in the description. Go grab yours before those factory seats take another hit. Hit subscribe and stay with us. More Maverick content is on the way.